Tripura's BJP President Rajiv Bhattacharjee today took oath as a Member of Parliament in the Rajya Sabha. Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar administered the oath of office to Rajiv Bhattacharjee, who was elected to the upper house of the Parliament on September 3, 2024, after defeating CPIM candidate and former MLA Sudan Das in the by-election. In his social media address after the swearing-in ceremony, Rajiv Bhattacharjee expressed his commitment to working for the people of Tripura, emphasizing his dedication to the vision of a developed Tripura as part of a developed India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. BJP National President and Leader of the House in the Rajya Sabha, JP Nadda, was also present at the oath-taking ceremony. Apart from that, Minister Tinku Roy, State BJP General Secretary Amit Rakshit, among others, also attended on the occasion. Notably, the lone Rajya Sabha seat in Tripura fell vacant after former Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb quit following his election to the Lok Sabha from the Tripura West parliamentary seat, prompting by-elections. Rajiv Bhattacharjee secured a clear victory with 47 votes in the 60-member Tripura Assembly, while his opponent, ex-MLA Sudan Das, got just 10 votes.
আমি শ্রী রাজীব ভট্টাচার্যী রাজ্যসভায় সাংসদ নির্বাচিত হইয়া ঈশ্বরের নামে শপথ করিতেছি যে বিধি দ্বারা স্থাপিত ভারতের সংবিধানের প্রতি আমি অকৃত্রিম নিষ্ঠা ও আনুগত্য পোষণ করিব।